Jai Sriman Third sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jnyeyaha Sanitya Sannyasi Yo Nadveshti Nakangshati निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते ॐ Do your work without being influenced by likes and dislikes, honor and dishonor, gain and loss, success and failure. Constantly remember that you are permanent. With this mindset, if you keep doing your work, you will be definitely released from the clutches of birth and death cycle. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. In the end of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma. This is very important. Every one of us should be responding to Krishna Paramatma saying these lines, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do my work without being influenced by likes and dislikes, honor and dishonor, gain and loss, success and failure. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly remember that I am permanent. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, when Sharmishta requested Yayati to bless her with children, Yayati accepted that and fulfilled her wish. He remembered what Sukracharya's warning was, but Yayati felt that probably this is God's will, Daiva Sankalpam. And because of that, Sharmishta gave birth to Druhyuvu, Anuvu, Puruvu. whereas Devayani gave birth to Yaduvu Turvasu. So after that, Devayani came to know that Sharmishta gave birth to children because of her own husband. She felt very mad, and then she started leaving from that house, and Yayati came to know. Yayati followed Devayani, requested, tried to comfort her with so many words, tried to please her, but she never got pleased. She went and told everything to her father Sukracharya. Then Sukracharya became so mad and then cursed Yayati, Tvam jara visatam mandha virupakarani nrunam. Oh Yayati, you may become old. The old age will suffer you, and also you will become bad looking king. Like that, Sukracharya cursed Yayati. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 3rd sloka. Jneyassa nitya sannyasi. Yo nadveshti nakangshati. Nirdvandvo hi mahabaho. Sukham bandhat pramuchyate. Jneyassa nitya sannyasi. Yo nadveshti nakangshati. Nirdvandvo hi mahabaho. Sukham bandhat pramuchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.